This is a complete beginner guide to Spotify in 2026. So first of all, make sure to install Spotify from your App Store or Play Store, and after installing it, simply open the application. This is the first page that you will see. So if you already have your account, you can simply tap on login and log into your account. If you do not have your account, then tap on sign up free. So after doing that here, all you need to do is add in your email address. If you want to connect your account with any of those platforms, you can tap on them. After writing your email address, tap on continue. Then there will be the requirement of creating a password for your Spotify account. Simply do that, then you'll be able to add in your first name, last name, and all of it. Simply go along with the process of how you can create a new account, and you'll be able to do it. So if you already have an account, you can simply log into your account just like this. And just like this, here you can see I am currently logged into my account. So in here you can see I am in the home page. From your home page, there are multiple different things that you can do. So if you simply tap on this all option, you'll be able to see all of the music recommendation from Spotify. If you tap on music, you can only listen to music. If you tap on following, here you'll be able to see all of the songs and listen to all of the music of the artist that you currently follow. So if you want to listen to some podcasts, you can tap on the option podcast right here, and you'll be able to listen to podcasts. Like before, if you tap on following, you'll be able to see all of the creator who you follow right here. So in here, if you simply tap on the search icon right here, you'll be able to listen to exactly what you want. So you can search for your exact artist or creator, or you can search for your exact song in order to listen. And in here you can simply browse through all of these categories. As you can see, if you simply tap on your library here, you'll be able to see all of your playlist in here. So if you have added one of the artists in your library, you will also be able to see it right here. You can simply tap on add artist and simply add one of the artists just like this. So after doing that, if you tap on this option create right here, now you'll be able to create your own playlist and also create collaborative playlist, and lastly you'll also be able to create blend. So if you want to do any of them, you can tap on them and create. So lastly, we have the premium option. If you simply tap on a premium, now you'll be able to buy your Spotify premium from here. So in Spotify premium, there are a lot of different things that you'll be able to do. There will be ad-free listening to music, and there will also be a lot of different features. So if you do want that, here we have a lot of available plans. We're gonna start from the individual, student, duo, and also the family one. So if you want to buy any of them, you can do so. So yeah, these are all of the things, and that's it.